Hi guys, welcome back to Click for Marnie, and today we're going to be making a smoothie. So let's get into it. So we're going to need some frozen mango and strawberry and an apple. So we've got our frozen strawberry and pineapple and our apple. Now you're probably going to think this is a very weird combination, and it is, but let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to follow the instructions on the back of this, and we'll see what we get to. Okay, let's get to it. So before we start, I actually read this wrong, guys. There's actually mango, pineapple, peach, and strawberry. I just thought it was mango and strawberry, or pineapple or strawberry, but there's actually 4 different types of fruit in here. So let's get into it. So you've got your, the actual container which you're going to put them in before you blend them. So you can use it in a NutriBullet, or what we've got here is a Magic Bullet. So let's put the fruit in. So let's put them in. So you don't want to put too much in, only a little bit. I'm not getting much of the, oh, there you go. Oh, I just put some. So I'm getting a lot of mango and pineapple, not enough strawberry is what I'm looking at here. So yeah, so we've got that done. There you go, look at those, they look beautiful, don't they? So we're going to put that there, and we're going to cut the apple up next. So when cutting the apple, you just want to cut not too many slices, and you don't want them too fat, I'd say. I think thinner the better, but I think some fat slices you could have, so like here, and then you could have one there, okay? You get the idea. So I'm not really a professional, so we're just going to cut in half. There you go, like that. Take the core out of that. Then, of course, you're going to have some seeds in there. Make sure there's no seeds in it. Yep. Yep. And then, you just want to carefully... Oops, sorry for the camera shaking. You just want to carefully look at that. Gordon Ramsay right there. Okay, I've made them way too fat, but you get the idea. Okay, you know what? Forget what I said before, fatter the better. So, we've got some there. We're then going to cut this off. Like that. And then we've got some here. We're just going to move that out of the way and start cutting this. There you go. Oh, these look better. Okay, these actually look... Okay. So, I think have some fat ones in there and have some skinny ones. Now, I'm just going to cut them again. We've got that there. So we're just going to bung those in. And we're just going to go again. Same again. I'm just going to bung those in.
Oh my god, something's done.
And again. And you're probably getting bored. So let's just fast forward that. So now guys, we are done. And voila. Look at that. So now we're just going to follow the instructions at the back, and I'll just get to it. So I've just got my assistant here to help me out, so she's going to carry on. So here you go.
So just add as much water as needed. Some people like this smoothie slightly thicker, and
oh, you can spin it like that. Okay, so
and other people like it a little bit more liquidy. So that's your personal preference.
Is that enough?
That could be enough, yeah.
Okay, so that's enough now. Get that out of the way. Got a spillage here.
Blend and try.
And be careful not to make any spillages, please.
Also, you can add some sweetener, natural honey, and maybe some golden syrup is probably...
So I'm just going to screw the lid on and we'll get back. So we've got that. I prefer natural sugars, to be honest. My mum's right. My system's right. You can add sweetness to it. There you go.
Some honey would be great.
Some honey would be great, yes. So let's start blending. Oh, look at that colour. It's kind of like a pinky colour. Okay. I think just a bit more. I'm going to just check it. Oh, look at that. I think just a bit more. Well, let's get blending. It's kind of orangey, isn't it? So you want it quite smooth? Okay, I think we're done now. Let me just show that to the camera. So I'm just going to try to focus that in the camera. So as you can see, it's kind of, I don't know what colour that is. Peach, that's it. Peach, thank you. My assistant just cleared that for me. So can you see that? It's got some bits in it, but it's smooth. Smooth. So we're just going to pour that into a glass now and, well, you can see the finished product. So let's pour it in the glass. Oh my god, it looks so good. Let's do a taste test. So guys, it was okay, I can't lie. It wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst either, so I'm gonna give this 4 out of 5 stars. I definitely think it was okay. I definitely think it could be better though. The flavour was there, it was quite appley, but thank you, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Click for Marnie. Bye!